Hemsworth's transformation into Thor is nothing short of incredible. His journey from an everyday physique to the godlike form of Thor is a story of relentless effort and unwavering commitment. His physique is a testament to hard work and dedication. Every muscle, every sinew, sculpted through hours of grueling workouts and intense training sessions. A crucial part of this transformation is his diet. Without the right nutrition, even the most intense workouts would fall short. Hemsworth consumes a massive amount of calories each day to support his intense workouts and maintain his godlike physique. We're talking about a diet that includes high-protein meals, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. This diet is carefully crafted to provide him with the energy he needs to train like a true Asgardian. Each meal is meticulously planned to ensure he gets the right balance of nutrients. This is not your average Hollywood diet. It's a scientifically designed nutrition plan tailored to his specific needs. It's a high-intensity fuel plan designed for maximum muscle growth and performance. Every bite he takes is a step towards building that iconic Thor physique. We're talking thousands of calories per day, carefully balanced to build and maintain that iconic Thor physique. Each calorie is accounted for, ensuring optimal muscle gain and recovery. This diet isn't just about looking good, it's about performance. It's about having the strength and stamina to perform at the highest level. Hemsworth needs to move with power and agility, both on and off screen. His training regimen includes not just weightlifting, but also agility drills and explosive movements. His diet fuels his workouts, helping him lift heavy, move quickly, and embody the God of Thunder. It's a holistic approach to fitness, combining nutrition, training, and recovery to achieve peak performance. Protein is the building block of muscle, and it's crucial for anyone looking to gain strength and size. Chris Hemsworth, known for his role as Thor, consumes it in large quantities to maintain his impressive physique. Lean proteins are essential in his diet, providing the amino acids necessary for muscle repair and growth. These proteins are the foundation of his muscle-building strategy. This constant supply of protein allows his body to recover from intense workouts and build new muscle tissue. Without adequate protein, muscle recovery and growth would be significantly hampered. He focuses on lean protein sources like chicken, which is not only rich in protein, but also low in fat. Fish, another staple in his diet, provides essential omega-3 fatty acids, along with high-quality protein. Lean beef is also a key component, offering a rich source of iron and creatine. These provide the essential amino acids without unnecessary fat, making them ideal for muscle building and overall health. Protein shakes are also a regular part of his routine, offering a quick and convenient way to boost his protein intake, especially post-workout when the body needs it the most. The amount of protein Hemsworth consumes is carefully calculated based on his body weight and activity level. This precision ensures he gets the right amount to support muscle growth without overloading his system. This meticulous planning is crucial for achieving his fitness goals and maintaining his physique. It ensures he's getting enough to support muscle growth without overloading his system. This high-protein approach isn't just for aspiring Thors or professional athletes. It's essential for anyone looking to build muscle and improve their body composition. Whether you're a seasoned bodybuilder or just starting out, protein is key. Increasing your protein intake can help you feel fuller for longer, aiding in weight management and reducing cravings. This makes it easier to stick to a healthy diet and achieve your fitness goals. Carbohydrates are essential for providing Hemsworth with the energy he needs for his demanding workouts. They are the primary source of fuel for his muscles, allowing him to perform at his peak. He focuses on complex carbohydrates, which are digested more slowly and provide sustained energy release. This slow digestion helps in maintaining a consistent energy level, avoiding the spikes and crashes associated with simple sugars. This helps him power through long gym sessions and maintain his energy levels throughout the day. Whether he's lifting heavy weights or engaging in high-intensity interval training, these carbs are crucial. Brown rice, quinoa, and sweet potatoes are staples in his diet. These foods are not only rich in carbohydrates, but also packed with essential vitamins and minerals. These carbohydrates provide a steady stream of energy, preventing sugar crashes and keeping him feeling full and satisfied. They also contribute to muscle recovery and overall well-being. The timing of his carbohydrate intake is also crucial. By strategically planning his meals, he ensures that his body has the necessary fuel exactly when it needs it. He consumes more carbs earlier in the day and around his workouts, when his body needs them most. This approach helps in optimizing his performance and recovery. This strategic approach maximizes his energy levels and supports his training. Proper portion control and meal timing are key components of his nutritional strategy. Carbohydrates are often demonized, but they are essential for active individuals. They provide the necessary energy for both physical and mental activities. Don't be afraid to incorporate healthy carbs into your diet, especially if you lead an active lifestyle. Embrace them as a vital part of your nutrition plan to fuel your body and achieve your fitness goals. Healthy fats are an important part of Hemsworth's diet, providing him with sustained energy and supporting hormone production. He incorporates sources of healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil, which provide essential fatty acids and contribute to overall health. These healthy fats help to keep him feeling full and satisfied, preventing overeating and supporting his energy levels. They also play a crucial role in hormone regulation, which is essential for muscle growth and overall well-being. Hemsworth is mindful of his fat intake, choosing healthy fats over unhealthy saturated and trans fats. This balanced approach ensures he's getting the nutrients he needs without compromising his health. Don't shy away from fats. Incorporating healthy fats into your diet can help you feel more satisfied, improve your cholesterol levels, and support overall health. Section 5. Breakfast of Champions. Starting the day like Thor. Hemsworth starts his day with a breakfast fit for a god. A typical breakfast might include a protein-packed smoothie with fruit, protein powder, and healthy fats. This gives him a powerful energy boost to kickstart his day. Another go-to breakfast option is eggs with whole grain toast and avocado. This provides a balance of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats to fuel his morning. Hemsworth understands the importance of starting the day with a nutritious and satisfying meal. This sets him up for success and provides him with the energy he needs to tackle his demanding day. Start your day right with a balanced breakfast that includes protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. This will give you the energy you need to conquer your day. Section 6. Lunch fit for a king. Midday fuel for a warrior. Hemsworth's lunch is all about refueling after his morning workout. A typical lunch might include grilled chicken or fish with a large portion of vegetables and a complex carbohydrate source like brown rice or quinoa. This provides him with the protein and carbohydrates he needs to repair muscle tissue and replenish glycogen stores. The vegetables add essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Hemsworth understands that lunch is not the time to skimp on nutrition. He prioritizes whole, unprocessed foods that will fuel his body and support his recovery. Make lunch a priority and focus on nutrient-dense foods that will fuel your afternoon. Choose lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, and plenty of vegetables. Section 7. Dinner of the Gods. Refueling after a mighty battle. After a long day of training and filming, Hemsworth enjoys a hearty and nutritious dinner. This might include a lean steak with sweet potato and steamed vegetables, or a salmon dish with quinoa and a large salad. The focus is on providing his body with the nutrients it needs to recover and rebuild. He prioritizes protein for muscle repair, complex carbohydrates for glycogen replenishment, and healthy fats for hormone regulation. Hemsworth understands that dinner is a crucial opportunity to nourish his body after a demanding day. He chooses meals that are both delicious and nutritious. Don't neglect your dinner. Make it a priority to enjoy a balanced and satisfying meal that will help your body recover from the day and prepare for the next. Section 8. Hydration is key, the power of water. Staying hydrated is crucial for Hemsworth, especially with his intense training regimen. He drinks gallons of water throughout the day to support his body's functions and prevent dehydration. Water is essential for muscle function, nutrient transport, temperature regulation, and overall health. Hemsworth knows that even mild dehydration can impact his performance. He makes it a priority to drink water consistently throughout the day, carrying a water bottle with him everywhere he goes. Make hydration a habit. Carry a water bottle with you and sip on water throughout the day. Aim to drink half of your body weight in ounces of water daily. Section 9. Vitamins and minerals, the divine supplements. To ensure he's meeting his nutritional needs, Hemsworth supplements his diet with vitamins and minerals. This helps to fill any gaps in his diet and support his body's functions. He consults with a nutritionist to determine the right supplements for his individual needs. This personalized approach ensures he's getting the specific nutrients his body requires. While a healthy diet should always be the primary source of vitamins and minerals, supplementation can be beneficial, especially for individuals with high activity levels. Talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian to determine if you could benefit from supplementation. Section 10. Inspiration for all. Unleash your inner Thor. Chris Hemsworth's dedication to his diet is truly inspiring. He understands that what he fuels his body with directly impacts his performance and his ability to embody the mighty Thor. While most of us may not be aiming to wield a magical hammer, we can all take inspiration from Hemsworth's commitment to health and fitness. By prioritizing whole, unprocessed foods, staying hydrated, and listening to our bodies, we can unlock our own inner strength and achieve our fitness goals. Remember, it's not about starving yourself or following restrictive diets. It's about making sustainable changes to your lifestyle and finding a balance that works for you. So, go ahead, unleash your inner Thor, and embrace a healthier, more